All right, welcome. So now here's the question: y is equal to cos x sec x. So now they say find dy dx of the function. So now I want to find the derivative of this function. So we'll say solution. We have y is equals to cos x sec x. So now you know that y prime is equivalent with dy dx is the same thing. So I'll be using this one to solve this question. So now it's a y prime. Now what we are going to do here is that we use product rule, because this one and this one they are multiplying, so we use product rule. So now what we'll do here is that I will say v u prime plus u v prime. So now this prime that I put mean the derivative of u and the derivative of v. So now I will now say y prime is equals to. So now where is this thing? This is our line. Now this is our v. Let's make this one to be our u. I mean, this is our u. So now we'll put sec x. This is our v. D is v and this is u. So now I differentiate u. When I differentiate u, it will give me minus sine x. So now I'm going to differentiate this one, this sec x. So now if I differentiate sec x, it will give me sec tan x. So now then I will now put my u, which is cos x. So now what I will do here is I will bring it down to have y prime is equals to. So now I want to rewrite it to have minus. This minus now will come back. We have sec x sine x, because when you differentiate cos, it will give you minus sine x. That's why you see this minus here. They will now say plus. So now we'll now write this one sec x tan is the same thing as sine x all over cos x, then multiply by this one, which is what? Cos x. So now is this one I write it, I arrange it well for here. So now this sine x over cos x is the same thing as what? Tan x. So now as you see, this one can go with this one. So we'll have something like y prime is equals to minus sec x sine x, then plus sec x sine x. So now when you check this side and this side is the same, but this one is carrying minus, this one is carrying plus. So that means what? They are minusing each. They will be minusing each other, because if this side come to this side, let me write it so that you can see. Half y prime is equal to, let me bring this one to this side, which is the positive, sec x sine x minus this one, sec x sine x. So you see this one and this one is the same thing. So now you cannot say your y prime, which is the derivative of this function, is 0. Thank you.